Hey guys, I have a 40mm no name that we will try and pick. Can it lock? Apparently not. Anyway, if we can get the call to turn, then that's at least something. Yeah, that might be a little too big. Well, it does move. Let's see. I would think there's only standard pins in here. Yep, I was right. I picked pin 2 and pin 4. That was quite easy. Well, another one down. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know what else to say there. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.